Today the channel shared with a sister. It's a lace-up neckline. Boobs. Casual sleeves and shirts will be cropped along the middle. Fake button. This model is my sister. Middle-aged, may be wearing along with wide pants. Trousers, the skirt is beautiful. Now we're going to go into this pattern design together. Design, you need to have a shoulder measurement, neck bust waist butt and length lower waist. Each person will have a different measurement, so I have to measure so I can measure, then apply it to the recipe I shared to do it. The first step. Take the length of this shirt and put it on. The highest of the buttocks, but it will have the stickiness of the shirt. So I'll take the length of my shirt and add 9 gas. This ripe gasoline will make the solubility of the hybrid. Then we set up across a road. I'll take this part shoulder to shoulder. Divided by 2. 36 divided by 2 is equal to 18. Across a road is 18. 16, sorry guys. By 16 then down to 4. In her is the neck. Divided year. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. I'll join these two, then you'll take it down to the chest. Divide by 5 plus 2. 80 divided by 5 plus 2 is 18. Take it down to 18. And then take the chest piece. Chest horizontal is chest divided by 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. Take a two-way street. And then I'll take a line up here and I'll take a section down. Is equal to 35. If I take the waist, it will be the waist. Divide by 4 and add by 2. 64 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 18. I took a passage of 18. Then I'll get my ass. Is butt divided by 4 plus 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is 21. I'll take over 21. After you get the part, then you'll draw and stop at the point. 9. This gasoline. This live part will be up. If it's a stool, the body behind it will lie like this. To build a perpendicular line that backs to petrol. Split in 2. We can draw the armpit line. And then I'm going to go back 3 inches. Behind neck down is 14. I'll draw the collar. From here, you back up to 8. I took down 14. And this way, there's 4 petrol lines that draw the side of the voice. And this trophy is going to come out of this armpit. Then you go straight down this way. As for the previous body, we'll paint the part. By the way, here you are, 2 inches back. I've built a perpendicular line down. Then from right here, I'm going back 2 inches from here. Let me go around the corner. And we've drawn 2 parts here. But right away, right here, we're going to take 2 turns. When you draw it, you make it perpendicular. This will be the front of the line. The next body is this crossroad. After I've done it, I'll paint the back of the body as well. Based on this previous body, it's blue. The red is from the front. 2 inches from your shoulders. Out 0.7 drops 1 centimeter gasoline. And we'll get to the collar of the body. If we reduce it to 4, we get the part Arabic of front torso and back torso. Now I'm going to cut it. And please note that this one doesn't have seams. When sewing, we have to leave seams on the fabric. Then here, if you cut this way first, the body behind it will be in the lower layer, then you'll come across. Then we'll get the body part. Here it is. Then you'll get the waistline, based on the waist width of the previous body. I folded it over to get the waistline. Where to go to work? And this will be the back. Later you will multiply 1. This is a double stack. And then after that, we cut the back. Then you reduce. Here, give me a gallon of gas. The lower chest is smaller. The front chest is a gasoline. Next, I'll cut the neck. First of the body. Front body cover ring. Fast. Next, you will cut it for the cup. We're going to go from down here. Let's go up. I cut. Leave the middle part. And we're going to cut the part to cut. And let the armpits have no residue. You reduce it by 5 glasses. And we get the part. The front body can be folded. Well, we got the body first. After that, we've done it. Then you'll start measuring your armpits. I measured 20. The other day I measured 22. Then you'll draw the sleeve. The shirt of this dress is a short one. I'll take the lower chest. Divide by 10 plus 5. 80 divided by 10 plus 5 is equal to 13. I took it from top to bottom. 13. I walked across a street. Then you'll take 20 armpits first. Plus 22. Is that the back armpit is equal to 44? Divide by 2 is equal to 22. Then we'll go a little bit from left to right. One segment is equal to 22 cubic meters of gasoline. Then you split in two. And we'll draw the armpit ring. We cut the sleeve. I'll get the sleeve here. After you cut off your sleeves, I'll show you now the way we do that part. It's on the neck. If you put a glass on your neck, you will take a glass. It's got a scale version. It's an 8mm gasoline version. 8 ha. Then you will arrange. The second one is gasoline, and you stack it in half. To cut out to petrol, and you stack one for each. To cut 2 petrol into 1 petrol. It's the same. You'll do a whole long piece. After you've done a long piece, I just put it. Get it in this collar so we can cut it. It follows the old part. That's when you cut the neck. We'll get the collar along the heart body. And we're going to keep this part. And on this part of your heart, you will. There's a splint of the heart. It's 2.5 inches here. And you cut this splint out and you glue your luck. When you are lucky, you will buy the lace outside. It'll have a piece of lace. You buy it and you will put it in here. You love lace outside. This thread has degrees. Big is 1.5 inches. Then the sisters cut this piece out. And we're going to clamp this part of the scale. It's 8 segments arranged along the neck. From the front to the back. Is that we're going to finish this template. Now I'm going to talk about how to be lucky. Let me be easy to imagine. To make this shirt, first, you will cut this part off. We're going to bring the splint back together, and then we will leave this splint alone. The reason for this splint is that it goes around the back of the body. Then you will be lucky to click. I sew the decor in. Then you sew the side of the back. May on the back. Then I put the back in. Part. The front part I sewed. Sew the slopes in. And now you're just getting started. Let's put that part up here. Then you sew the neck splint. Yes, you just removed the neck splint. Then you are lucky. The hand in the slacks. Put your hands in the body. Then after that, you sew the seams. And we're on spikes. And this button is a fake button, and this is also the back a folding is also cloth. Double folded. This neck is wide, so it's the sisters in pairs. Then you can put it on. If the fabric doesn't stretch, you have to button or check the zipper in the back. And I wish you success.